I have in my hand the future right here for the next year in 2020. I'm going to show you how to create a really easy weight loss vision board. This was the easiest and fastest way that I could do a board. Usually what I do is I take a poster board and I get pictures and I cut them out and then I place them, and this takes a few days. But this year I decided to do things digitally. So I'm going to show you in this video how to do it, and really quick. Now, each year I create my own set of goals for the entire year in every category of my life. I'm going to show you my vision board, but I actually call it a body board. And I'll show you what it looks like. And hopefully you can see it. If not, I'll put it right here so you could see it. So this is my body board for 2020. And some of my goals, you'll see I have a whole bunch of different pictures there. And I called it my body board 2020. And then I also have a quote, I guess you could say, or a theme for the year. And my entire year is raising my standards. So I also put a quote on there, "Dear body, I love you," because it just reminds me that I need to take care of my body more and make sure I move it more, and I just need to take care of my body a little bit more. It's the only place we have to live in. So here are some of my goals. Now, this is actually Jennifer Lopez because I absolutely adore her. And this is her body, and this is something that I'd like to achieve. And I'm going to be doing a 90-day transformation for myself. Let me know in the comments below if you'd actually like to see my transformation and as it's happening and what I'm doing. So that's number one. Now I also want to lean up and gain some muscle. So I have about maybe 8 pounds I'd like to lose. And this is just signifies basically that I want to get rid of some lumps and bumps that are on my legs and on my butt. And this one here is just a reminder of stretching and moving and, exercise. And then this one here is I need to start correcting my posture a little bit because I do have the mum slouch, like I mentioned a lot in my videos, and I do have it, and I have a lower cross syndrome, and I can explain it in another video, but basically I need to correct my posture. And this one is a reminder that I need more massages. And this one here is basically to better my digestion. Now, I've been working on this in the last couple years, and my digestion actually has gotten a lot better. So I can just still tweak it just a little bit more. Basically, I will look at this every single day. So those are my goals for 2020. Now, what is your 2020 goals for yourself? What is it for your body and your health? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear them. Now, when you're starting to do a body board or that weight loss vision board, it's important to really think about what it is that you want. And if you're having a hard time, you're not really sure, just think of yourself a year from now looking back, what it would be great to achieve. Get specific. If you want to lose weight, how many pounds is that? Or maybe it's inches for you, or maybe a dress size, but get clear on what that is. And also think about how you want to feel, maybe what you want to do, much like I did in mine, where I was thinking about the outside and then also the inside with the digestion. For you might be something else. Maybe you want more energy, but just write those down. And I have 6 things that I have on my board. You could do a lot more. And it's great to have it written down so that you can reference your page as you're looking for different pictures. Now, I also suggest to find some word art that resonates with you so that you could put that on your board as well. This one I didn't do this year, but you can do things like energy and healthy, things that really resonate. I just chose that one line this year, "Dear body, I love you." Once you've finished writing it down, you take it to Canva, and Canva is a free program. You can also download the app, and it is free to create an account. And here's the easiest thing to do. When you log in or register, all you do is search for a mood board. Then you can choose the board of your liking, and this is the one that I chose. You can always change the colors, and you can change the fonts. You can change the different pictures. Sky really is the limit. Then what you do is you can search for photos right here in Canva, or you can search online for things that you want. So for example, I wanted to have better posture, so I searched for a posture picture. Then all you do is just drag it and drop it. And then you can play around with the different locations where you want the pictures. And like I said, you could also change the colors. And then you just hit save. I saved it into a PDF format, and also I saved it into a JPEG format. So what I did is I actually printed it at Staples so that I have hard copies of it. And I actually have, I think, 9 different things here. Then what you want to do is you want to go post it where you're going to see it every single day. And even better if you could do twice a day, where you just once in the morning and once in the evening. Vision boards work, okay? A lot of people who are doing vision boards and just sit there and don't do anything about it, they're not gonna work. But Oprah uses vision boards, okay? And if Oprah uses it, you need to use it. I love Oprah. So put it anywhere that you're gonna see it, you know, every single day. You can put it on a poster board if you like it a little bit more hard copy, or you could put it in picture frames. I'm gonna see what I'm gonna do with it. I haven't quite decided, but I love that I printed it. It was super quick. Like I did it maybe in an hour and a half, just choosing all the pictures, changing the colors, and you know, it's just gonna take an afternoon. So once you look at these every day, you have to do something about it. You can't just sit there and eat a donut and then wish to look like Jennifer Lopez, because that's not going to happen. And the neat thing is at the end of the year, you could look back and see everything that you've accomplished. There is studies done, and there's people, successful people, who use vision boards, and they crush their goals a lot faster than somebody who doesn't, because you create the intention, you have the vision of what you really want, and then you go after and get it. And sometimes it's really helpful if something comes your way and you feel like, I don't know what to do in this moment. All you have to do is look at your vision board. Yeah, I know where I want to be. So does this match where I want to be, or it doesn't match where I want to be? And that I find is very, very helpful in my life, because it gives me some answers to things I might be stuck on. So that's just a quick down and dirty way how to do your vision boards and your body boards. I would love to see them. So if you want to share them, you can go to my Facebook page and you can just share them with me. I would love to see them. I love doing goals. I love crushing goals. I love seeing people's goals. I don't know what it is, it just lights me up. Comment below if you haven't done so already to let me know what your goals are for 2020. Be sure to share this video and hit the subscribe button so you can be notified of my next upcoming videos, because there's going to be a lot of them. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.